Have you ever wished one AI tool could handle everything for your content creation? What if you could generate stunning images, cinematic videos, product ads, music, and more, all in one place without switching between multiple tools? And what if you could save your best workflow as a reusable skill so you never have to repeat the same process again? Well, that's exactly what Ribby AI is doing. Ribby is a smart creative AI platform packed with powerful features. You can create videos, generate professional visuals, make product promotions, produce creative content, automate workflows, and turn your favorite creations into reusable skills that can be used again anytime. So today, let's test some of Ribby's most exciting features with professional prompts and see the results. First prompt: create a high-end luxury skincare product photo placed on a marble surface with soft natural lighting, elegant shadows, premium packaging details, realistic reflections, shallow depth of field, ultra-realistic commercial photography style. And just look at this result. The lighting looks premium, reflections are clean, and the final image feels like a real luxury brand campaign. Generate a futuristic city skyline at sunset with flying vehicles, cinematic lighting, glowing neon signs, detailed architecture, dramatic clouds, ultra-realistic textures, wide-angle composition, blockbuster movie style. This looks incredible. The atmosphere, cinematic feel, and details make it look like a scene from a high-budget sci-fi movie. Now let's move to videos. Prompt 1. Create a cinematic 10-second video of a young entrepreneur walking confidently through a modern office. Natural camera movement, soft daylight, realistic expressions, smooth transitions, professional commercial style. The output feels polished and professional. Camera motion is smooth, expressions feel natural, and it looks ready for social media ads. Generate a high-energy fitness promo video showing athletes training in a luxury gym, slow-motion sweat shots, dynamic camera angles, motivational atmosphere, dramatic lighting, premium sports advertisement style. This one is seriously impressive. High energy, premium visuals, and strong ad quality production. Now let's test product ads. Prompt 1. Create a premium product advertisement for wireless earbuds rotating in mid-air with glowing light effects, clean dark background, macro close-up shots, luxury branding style, cinematic product reveal. The result looks like something from a real electronics brand launch. Clean, modern, premium, and eye-catching. Second prompt: generate a commercial ad for a perfume bottle placed in water splashes with elegant slow-motion droplets, soft golden lighting, premium fashion brand aesthetic, highly detailed close-up visuals. This looks stunning. Luxury vibes, elegant motion, and premium brand quality visuals. Now let's try short-form content. Prompt 1. Create a trendy social media reel of a stylish young man transitioning through 3 luxury outfits with smooth snap transitions, upbeat energy, cinematic lighting, modern lifestyle aesthetic, vertical format. This is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Generate a viral transformation reel showing a messy desk turning into a clean luxury workspace with fast transitions. Satisfying movements, aesthetic organization style, engaging short-form content. Very satisfying to watch and highly engaging. Exactly the kind of content people love to rewatch. And here's one of the smartest parts. If you create something amazing using Ribby, you can save that workflow as your own skill. That means whether it's an image style, video format, product ad setup, or any creative process, you can save it, reuse it, and even share it with others. So instead of starting from zero every time, your best workflow becomes one click away. Ribby AI feels like the shortcut creators have been waiting for. Images, motion videos, fresh visuals, and reusable skills, all in one place. If you want faster content creation without the usual chaos, Ribby is definitely worth trying. Use my skill from the link in description and try it yourself.